Good morning, Misamis Oriental. Welcome to the newest edition of Governor Bambi Emano's Accomplishment Report. PIO's reporters have yet again precisely documented all the happenings and events in Misamis Oriental that have their roots in Governor Bambi Emano's programs. An overall perspective for Monday will be given by Raymark Semania. Jebson Patlunag will report Tuesday's series of events. Reggie Anamor, my guy, will feed us all the information for Wednesday. Thursday will be unfolded by Mary Jane Salimbao. Queen Exclamador will give us a rundown for Friday, and Danny Abjama Jr. will present the consolidated report. The Philippine National Police reports a peaceful and solemn observance of All Saints' Day, thanks to the full cooperation of Misamis nuns. For this news, here's Raymark Semania.
As Misamis Oriental celebrates All Saints' Day, Governor Bambi Emano hopes that this year's commemoration is soulful and meaningful despite the restrictions to our movement. In celebration of All Saints' Day, Governor Bambi Emano reminded everyone to follow what the saints have taught us, the importance of uniting our will with God. The deployment of our PNP personnel has also made a significant effect to this occasion, as they kept everyone's safety a priority through the implementation of temporary closure of all cemeteries, memorial parks, and columbarium following the order of the National IATF to minimize the risk of COVID-19 transmission. Raymark Semania, PIO.
Governor Bambi enters the week with another outburst of good news for Misamis Oriental, calming the worries of Misamis nuns during these uncertain times. Delivering the report is Jebson Patlunag.
Yes, Jing. Tuesday's events marks another series of accomplishments for Governor Bambi Emano. As the month of November opens with the 81st virtual flag raising ceremony, Provincial Veterinarian Dr. Benjamin Resma reports the latest state of affairs of ASF within the province. According to Dr. Resma, Provet's surveillance and investigation continues for areas suspected of ASF, with the most recent being Barangay Cabalawan in Magsaysay, Kinugitan National Agricultural School in Kinugitan, and Barangay Taytayan in the municipality of Libertad. This after Dr. Resma reports of a new ASF case in Barangay Baliwagan in the municipality of Balingasag. In response, the Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office 10 have donated responder kits to the Provincial Veterinary Office, which were then immediately handed over by the office to the LGUs in the province, especially Nopol, Libertad, Itagum, Alubihid, and El Salvador. DARFO 10 has also provided test kits to the province through Provet to be used in border control to immediately check if pigs from neighboring provinces entering Misamis Oriental is positive for ASF. This is immediately followed by Dr. Marietta Austin Paso's update informing Misamis nuns of the upcoming vaccination for 12 to 17 years old. Dr. Pasa reiterated the importance of vaccination as the world slowly transitions into a population fully vaccinated against COVID-19, urging parents and guardians of eligible vaccinees to don't miss the chance that the provincial government is offering. And for Tuesday's most pleasant news, Governor Bambi Emano gave his warmest congratulations to Miss Or's Pride Cindy Obinieta for winning the Miss Intercontinental 2021 crown. In his message, Governor Bambi Emano hailed Obinieta's captured victory, stating that it will open the way for Misamis Oriental to be recognized better in the whole world. Jebson Patlunag, PIO.
A public school in the municipality of Hitagum is the latest recipient of Governor Bambi Emano's series of infrastructure turnovers, solidifying the groundwork of Misamis Oriental's education system. For the complete details, here's Reggie Anamor, my guy.
Seeing challenges as opportunities to grow and prosper is what Governor Bambi Emano prioritizes, fostering the best services for all Misamis nuns. On Wednesday, November 3, 2021, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, through the Provincial Engineering Office, headed by its OIC engineer Prisco Valmoria, successfully conducted the blessing and ceremonial turnover of a perimeter gate and fence into Bornay Elementary School at Barangay Bornay in the municipality of Hitagum. Perimeter gate and fence has a length of 102.45 meters with a project worth amounting to 917,900,000 pesos and 75 centavos, funded by the Special Education Fund. Governor Bambi Emano already assured the said beneficiary that the then dream would turn into a reality. In return, all the school teachers and faculty extended their deepest gratitude to Governor Bambi Emano and the whole PGMO for the facilities they have acquired, which secure the safety of children and staff within the school premises.
Mga gate kay importante kay sa mga bata kay dole along the highway man ni kanang importante kay ang mga bata maligsan. Then kuan po siya kanang katabang kay sa amua kay kanang ang intruders bitaw dinhi ang magkuan sa yuta kay gasulod sila sa nauna karon kay na kuan na gid siya fully kanang gate na siya nagmagusto na gid sila sulod dayon pasalamat ng gid ako ni Governor Bambi kay na realize gid ang gate.
Present in the event were Vice Governor Jigjag Pilaez, Hitagum Vice Mayor Rudy Damasing, Bornay Elementary School's former school head Mr. Henry A. Hamis, Barangay Councilor Honorable Bernabe Maaga Jr., Board Member Dexter Yasay, Board Member Nancy Madhos, Board Member Bubuy Sabal III, and Board Member Saysay Imano, along with Bornay Elementary School head Ms. Waina F. Humawan, GPTA President Mr. Juven I. Bagkyo, SB officials, and was graced also by parents and guardians. On the same day, fulfilling the mandate of creating opportunities for human resource development, the Human Resource Management Office, under the leadership of OIC HRMO, Ms. Jessica B. Galindo, in partnership with One Consultancy Services, headed by Ms. April Nasti A. Piasan, successfully commenced the Exordium program via Google Meet teleconferencing. The Exordium program is a virtual learning and development program that is designed to respond to the needs identified by the administrative officers as this birthed from their last September 2021's event on webinar online survey, which contained learners' profiles and preferences in participating in virtual learning and development programs. This will be a regular activity with 4 sessions every Wednesday from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. for the whole month of November 2021, highlighting the topics on motivating people, time management, basic documentation, and virtual tools. This initiative would greatly help all AOs in their day-to-day transactions in providing quality service to the public. Regiana Moratanel Maygay, PIO.
In compliance with Governor Bambi Emano's consistent efforts for peace and order, the Misamis Oriental Provincial Jail undertakes its Oplan Galugad, culminating in the successful confiscation of prohibited items inside MOPJ. For all details, here's Jane Salimbao.
With the mission of maintaining peace and order in the province, Governor Bambi Emano ensures that the security of the people is well maintained.
On Thursday, November 4, 2021, the Misamis Oriental Provincial Jail, under the leadership of MOPJ Warden Robert Roy Bahian, put its Uplan Galugad inside MOPJ premises into action. The clearing operation started at exactly 9 a.m., of which all inmates cooperated, making the event orderly, efficient, and successful. This cause is made possible together with the enormous collaborative effort of MOPJ's lead partner agencies, which are the PNP, PIDEA, SWAT, COCPO, EOD, K9PNP, CCNFC, RDEU, and CDEU. According to Warden Bahian, this is the first Oplan Galugad for the year 2021. Different paraphernalia ranging from kitchen materials, gadgets like cell phones, electronics like speakers and aircon, including cigarettes and tobacco, were found and confiscated. It is always a forefront priority for the provincial government of Misamis Oriental under Governor Bambi Emano's leadership to unfailingly ensure peace and security for everyone, especially inside MOPJ.
Ang mission ang pag-amuma sa atong mga nasipyat na sayo. Pero tungod kay tipik o kabahin man siya sa ato ang justisya, amo kini silang amumahan ug pagabantayan. Mao ni nga gikandakan nato Operation Greyhound o Oplan Galugad para malikayan nato ang mga panagtintil o magamit og mga ice pick o mosulod po ang mga drugas para ma-rehabilitate sila.
Jane Salimbao, PIO.
From healthcare to strengthening of the barangays, Governor Bambi Emano guarantees the various needs of all sectors of the society are properly and swiftly addressed. PIO's Queen Exclamador will give us a precise summary of the events.
Transparency is the hallmark of Governor Bambi Emano's governance, with integrity at its core and passion towards prosperity of the province of Misamis Oriental. The provincial government of Misamis Oriental, with the Office of the Barangay Affairs headed by Mr. Henry Alaba, facilitated the ceremonial turnover of check worth 300,000 pesos to Barangay Gumabon Municipality of Magsaysay, Misamis Oriental for their purchase of lot for barangay site. The said project has an area of more or less 30,700 square meters. Present in the event were Board Member Wayne Militante, Frederick Koo, and Municipal Mayor Ray Buhisan, with the full force of Barangay Council of Gumabon, CVO, Lupon, and Purok President of the said barangay. Gratefully, beneficiaries expressed their overwhelming joy to Governor Bambi through Barangay Captain Danielson Derecho.
Ako salamat lamang sa akong pagkakas council, ang katawag sa barangay Gumabon. Nagpasalamat ako sa ito. Manong punta, magpadayon ang maayos sa bisyo alang sa katawag sa Misamis.
This is a fulfillment of the Barangay Empowerment Program under Governor Bambi Emano's leadership that seeks to give ultimate power for all barangay captains to propose projects that would greatly benefit residents among the barangay level. And because of this great kind heart of Governor Bambi Emano to his constituents, the Barangay Council of Gumabon Magsaysay and its people express the warm hearts of full gratitude to the provincial government of Misamis Oriental. On the same day, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental through the provincial ECCD office supported the ECCD Council's launching on the 2021 Early Years Fair in the celebration of the National Children's Month with the theme, Ligtas na Paglalaro, Karapatan ng Bawat Batang Pilipino, in hope to continually support our children's right to play. The long wait is over for the pediatric population aging 12 to 17 years old of Misamis Oriental, as the PGMO through the Provincial Health Office spearheaded the official launching of the region-wide simultaneous vaccination among the specified age group for children without comorbidities using Pfizer vaccine at provincial capital grounds. The vaccinees were grateful to Governor Bambi Emano and the whole IATF team for such privilege of being inoculated, as this prepares them for the opening of face-to-face classes. In lieu, vaccinees Gwyneth Ann Junio and Jessie Villaluz expressed their gratitude to the good governor.
Dako ang pagpasalamat sa mga LGU, labi na sa atong provincial governor na si Bambi Emano sa pag-organize aning pagbakuna sa tanan. Ginahikayat na ko ang mga kabatan-una na dili mahadlok sa pagpabaksin.
Dako akong pasalamat kang Bambi Emano, matawag nga pagpasalamat ani nga libre nga tupok sa mga kabatan-una unta kanang magpatabok na tatanan niya para ma-COVID free na ta, para mag-face-to-face na ta.
In total, more than 300 targeted youth for the first dose were vaccinated. On the other hand, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, under the leadership of PNC Chairperson Governor Bambi Emano, implemented the F1K Bambi, Bililhon ang mga bata ipalambo, a dietary supplementation program to the 6 to 23 month stunted children of LGU Alubihin. The turnover of the rice Mungo Sesame cereal was facilitated by PHO Nutrition Division, headed by Ms. Marites Gomez, to Honorable Mayor Dr. Emmanuel Labis, Kagawad on Health Honorable Sonia Chang, and MNAO Ellen Sabilieta. The DSP aims to reduce, if not eliminate, the prevalence of stunting in the said municipality by focusing on the first 1,000 days of a child's life in the hope to end all forms of malnutrition and not just stunting, towards a healthy, safe, and secured Misamis Oriental. To achieve social, political, and economic goals, the Provincial Legal Office, through its Gender and Development Program, conducted a seminar on gender-related laws such as Katarungang Barangay, violence against women and children, and anti-child abuse in the municipality of Naawan. Significantly, one participant shared her thought on the said opportunity as she stated,
Salamat mi sa mga pangutana nga. Klaro kay ang tubag sa mga abogado. Salamat sa ko sa tanang mga abogado nga tubag sa tanan ng mga pangutana. Aron kami dinhi sa lungsod sa Naawan. Mahibalogid sa tanan ko unsay angay nang buhaton sa panahon nga kami mainana or dunay may tabuan. Alang sa ako, double thumbs up gid ko tanan permente, labi na parte kang mga trabaho, mga proyekto, mga plano, tanan ng mga kaayuhan na ihatag sa atong Gobernador Bambi Emano. Kanadto pagid ko gikan sa pagsugod paingon na lang karon. Naadyo ko support sa iya tanan nga linya, support ko tanan kay tungod maayo kay ko nakita sa ila din sa panahon gin Gobernador Bambi. Wala gid may problema.
This relevant discussion aims to equip the local officials with the necessary knowledge for the proper handling of cases. Participants are from the women's sector, local officials, and leaders, with the presence of Naawan Municipal Mayor Dennis Roa and Vice Mayor Jaime Roa. Consistently, the Provincial Veterinary Office issued a veterinary health certificate to ensure that transported chickens are healthy and free of disease. The Provincial Government of Misamis Oriental, Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 10, and USTP Claveria Campus, which at the same time will become the proponent university of the program, conducted a signing of Memorandum of Agreement on Balik Provincia Bagong Pag-asa program at Harbor Lights Hotel and Restaurant Pusa, Cagayan de Oro City. This is a 9.2 million peso project from the national government courtesy of Senator Bongo, which focused on cattle multiplier farm, chicken multiplier farm, goat multiplier farm, and vegetable and mushroom production for interesting Misamisnons. Present in the activity were Governor Bambi Emano, Regional Executive Director Carlene Collado, DA10, Provincial Veterinary Dr. Benjamin Resma, and USTP Claveria Campus Chancellor Dr. Renato O. Arazo, and personnel from the Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office 10. This activity aims to support Misamisnons who plan and decide to go back to the province and wish to start a new life through these livelihood programs. Markedly, all aforementioned events came to light with people's participation that signifies Governor Bambi Emano's essence of good governance. Pin Exclamador, PIO.
The consolidation of accomplishments by the provincial capital's offices and departments, backed by Governor Bambi Emano's stewardship, emancipates another succession of genuine public services to the people. For the consolidated report, here's Danny Abshama Jr.
Undeniably, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental has done enormous to gain achievements and fulfill every Misamisnon's needs.
Despite the week being shortened due to the holidays, the Provincial Governor's Extension Office was greeted with a deluge of people requesting aid. Attorney Nadia Emano Ilipe catered and gave free advice to 40 clients with their legal concerns. At the same time, several individuals requested to see Attorney Nadia in hopes of having their problems solved. These include several financial assistance, medical hospital bills, and death assistance requests. Governor Bambi Emano's Servisyong Panglawas program consistently provided free medical checkups and free medicines to the people of Misamis Oriental. This week, the Health Department headed by Dr. Maria Bebina Tagarda Casidio catered a total of 494 clients. The Health Department mostly caters to clients with diabetes and hypertension, while influenza-like symptoms are still strictly prohibited from entering the premises, following IATF protocols. Meanwhile, the 3-in-1 program that provides free embalming services, free coffin and free transportation catered to 3 clients this week, provided with flowers and a half sack of rice. The Provincial Health Office Nutrition Division under the leadership of Ms. Marites Gomez conducted a series of turnover of honoraria to 29 barangay nutrition scholars, with each receiving 3,000 pesos in the municipalities of Manticao and Laguindingan on November 3 and November 5. Additionally, the Nutrition Division also evaluated household and communal garden entries for the province-wide search for the outstanding G4 in the municipalities of Manticao and Alubihid. Also, the office turned over 10 bottles of oral drops of vitamin C plus zinc for 5 identified 6 to 11-month-old wasted children in the said municipality of Naawan, and distributed F1K Bambi rice Mongo sesame cereal and multivitamins to 6 to 11 months old children in the municipality of Alubihid. The celebration of National Teachers Month for Child Development Workers continues in the municipalities of Sumbongkugon, Salay, Binwangan, Hitagom, Laguindingan, Initaw, Naawan, Manticao, and Lugait on November 2, 3, and 5 this year. In total, 184 CDWs in the said municipalities received 2,500 pesos each, half of the annual honorarium that each CDW will receive. The other half will be given to them in the month of December, together with Governor Bambi Emano's other Christmas gifts. Each CDW also received a t-shirt and thank you cards. The joy of the most outstanding child development workers from the said municipalities and cities was indescribable, as apart from the honorarium, thank you cards, and t-shirts, they are the luckiest to receive 50 Android Bambi TVs for their child development centers and 3,000 pesos cash incentives in plaque of recognition from Governor Bambi Emano. More provincial board members Honorable Gerardo Boboy Sabal, Honorable Dexter Yasay, Honorable Sarah May Sasa Emano, and Honorable Wayne Dilatante, together with Honorable Yonshu Abejo, SB member from the municipality of Villanueva. Vice Governor Jigjag Belaz also joined the celebration. Also present were the Municipal Mayor of Binwangan, Honorable Romeo L. Gue, and Vice Mayor of Itagum, Honorable Rudy Damasing. The celebration was also attended by the CMSWDOs and ECCD focal persons in the said municipalities. The Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office conducted a series of turnovers to the municipalities of Misamis Oriental this week. On November 3, the office turned over 9 food packs to Barangay Kalatkat, Alubihid, and was received by Alvin Lucas in coordination with Mayor Randy Pepip Akut, and 5 sacks of rice to a bereaved family from Initaw, Misamis Oriental, which was received by Susana C. Pacanot. Additionally, on November 4, the office turned over 5 sacks of rice to 15 families affected by COVID-19 in Barangay Talao, G. Pelaez, and Matangad, Hitagom. Meanwhile, on November 2 to 5, the office turned over 5 sacks of rice to individuals and families in crisis due to COVID-19 in the municipalities of Salay, Tagolwan, Alubihid, and Claveria. Additionally, the office turned over 3 wheelchairs to 3 beneficiaries in the municipality of Hitagom on November 4.
For the expanded program on immunization, last October 29, Dr. Jerry P. Kalingasan virtually met with all the municipal health officers and chiefs of the 8 Misamis Oriental provincial hospitals to come into agreement regarding a synchronization of the pediatric vaccination rollout. November 4 to 5, all the 8 MIS or PH, as well as St. Paul Tagolwan, Hasaan Community Hospital, and Medina Hospital received all kids for vaccination aged 12 to 17 years old with comorbidities, while all rural health units and city health offices began their pediatric vaccination last November 5, catering all 12 to 17 years old without comorbidities. As the hospitals carried on with their regular operations while their pediatric vaccination kicked off, the LGU staff manning the hospital vaccination with the assistance of some hospital staff, they still managed to continue pediatric vaccination at their RHUs and CHOs. The PHO vaccination team, with the assistance of PDRRMO last November 5, was able to inoculate a 546 pediatric vaccine recipients and 18 adults during the recent rollout. PHO as well has distributed the following vaccines to LGUs: Pfizer with 20,146 doses, Moderna with 1,045 doses, Sinovac with 2,968 doses, and AstraZeneca with 240 doses. For COVID-19 surveillance team, 17 people were swabbed. For PHO clinic, 12 patients were attended to, 4 of whom requested medical clearance and 8 for other reasons seeking medical consult. Last November 5, 580 people were also screened by the same team for vaccination. For Animal Bite Treatment Center, 32 patients were served with 12 new cases. And for Mental and Drug-Induced Psychosis Program, 16 patients were served with 3 new cases for mental health. Under the Mental Health Playbook Pilot Program, the first batch of peer facilitators underwent a second session for their training of trainers conducted by the Department of Health to soon be equipped to train all the LGUs of Misamis Oriental. This pilot program aims to promote awareness and mental and emotional resilience in coping with possible depression, anxiety, suicide, and substance use among the youth.
Danny Vertudazo of Shama Jr., PIO.
I know that the people of Misamis Oriental will forever remember Governor Bambi Emano as someone who fulfilled all that he has promised. A leader who delivered more than what was asked of him. A leader who earns and proves his leadership every single day, and much more in his remaining 234 days in office. Jinker Sid, PIO.